Hey everyone, it's Jordan, and today's word is to be struggling. To be struggling is a slang term. This means that it's more informal. You might use it more with your friends and with your family. So what does it mean? To be struggling means that you're having a hard time in life or a hard time doing something. For example, I was struggling today. Today in Chicago, it was very snowy, very cold, and I just had a difficult day. I was so happy to get home to relax after work. What about you? Were you struggling today? Did you have a hard day? Let us know in the comments below.